Okay, we're in this part of the city of Split, no? This is the end point of the road going back to the Adriatic Sea. This road, no? The right side. So the sky is blue, no? The very good weather right now. They have the natural weather. I think this is the weather that most Eastern Europeans would like to experience, because of most part of the year they're in very cold weather. This area is the modern area, no, of the city of Split. The city of Split is coastal city of Croatia. So what are people doing here? This is church. What is this one? AD 1936. Oh, this is the church. Okay, so they have water fountain here. Very nice. Fountain area, very nice. So this is public place. Observe, no? They invest a lot in public spaces talaga. And invested in walkability, bicycle, minimal yung entry ng kotse. That's one way also of developing a very healthy lifestyle here. So packet doon going in that direction is the Adriatic Sea. You have Zara here. We'll be meeting with our guide in 10 minutes. Kaya babalik na rin ako doon sa site. Okay. This is the area, no? Ang galingan natin. Gospi od Stravilla. I'll check it online, but parang guess ko is it is a church. But here is, we have yung Zara building, still closed. And you have mga tired na mga vacationers here.